Hey everyone, today we are exploring the magnificent region of Ladakh. Whether you are planning your first trip or looking to revisit, we have got all the details you need. Let's dive in. Also, we will share some interesting facts about Ladakh that will blow your mind at the end of this video. So do stay tuned. First thing first, let's talk about how to reach Ladakh. The nearest airport is Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh, well connected to major cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Srinagar. Flights are the most convenient way to get here, especially if you are short on time. Alternatively, you can take a train to Jammu Tawi railway station and then a scenic road trip to Leh, which takes about 2 days. For the adventurous, the Manali-Leh Highway and the Srinagar-Leh Highway offer some of the most exhilarating road trips you can imagine, but they are only open during the summer months due to heavy snowfall. When it comes to accommodation, Ladakh offers a range of options to fit every budget. Guest houses and homestays are a great way to experience local hospitality without breaking the bank. For instance, the Jostel, Leh and Himalayan Bunker are the popular among backpackers, offering comfortable stays at affordable rates. If you are looking for a bit more comfort, places like the Grand Dragon and Hotel Ladakh Residency provide excellent amenities without going too heavy on your wallet. Now let's explore the top attractions in Ladakh. Shanti Stupa. Starting with Shanti Stupa, located just 5 km from Leh city center, this wide dome shape offers panoramic views of Leh and the surrounding mountains. It's a great spot for sunrise or sunset, and it's a favorite among tourists for the spiritual ambience and scenic beauty. Khardung La Pass. Located 39 km from Leh Ladakh, is one of the highest motorable roads in the world at an elevation of 5,359 meters. To reach Khardungla, drive or take a taxi from Leh via the Leh-Manali highway. The pass offers stunning panoramic views and is a gateway to the Shok Valley and Nubra Valley. It is a crucial strategic point for India and a popular destination for adventure enthusiasts. Nubra Valley. Accessible via the high-altitude Khardungla Pass, Nubra Valley is known for its stunning landscapes, sand dunes, and the unique double-hump Bactrian camels and their rides. Diskit Monastery. Located in the Nubra Valley, it is approximately 120 km from Leh. Established in 14th century by Changzhen Zerab Zangpo, it is the largest and oldest monastery in Nubra. To reach Diskit, drive over the stunning Khardungla Pass. The monastery is renowned for its 32-meter tall statue of Maitra Buddha, offering panoramic views of the valley. Hemis Monastery. Situated 45 km from Leh Ladakh, it is the largest and wealthiest monastery in the region, founded in 1630 by Lama Takstang Rashin. It is known for the annual Hemis festival celebrating the birth of Guru Padmasambhava. The monastery houses stunning collection of ancient relics, including a giant statue of Guru Rinpoche and beautiful tankas. Pangong Lake. Journey from Hemis Monastery to Pangong Lake covers 160 km via Leh, Karu and Changla Pass. Pangong Lake at 4,350 meters extends into China, known for its color-changing waters. This saline lake freezes in winter and gained fame from 3 Idiots, attracting birdwatchers and tourists alike. Zanskar Valley. Located around 462 km from Leh Ladakh, renowned for its rock landscapes and Buddhist monasteries, to reach Zanskar, drive from Leh to Kargil, then take the road to Padam. The journey involves crossing high mountain passes like Pensila. Interesting fact includes its famous Chadar Trek and traditional ancient monasteries like Futal and Karsha. There you have it. Whether you are seeking adventure, tranquility or cultural richness, Ladakh has it all. Now it's time for some interesting fact that you must know about Ladakh. Do you know Ladakh has a magnetic hill located near Leh where vehicles seem to defy gravity and move uphill when placed in neutral? Isn't it exciting? That's all for today. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel guides. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.